So let's see. Lash galore. Okay, like I can't wait. Okay. Hey Rockstar Angels, welcome back to my channel. If you're returning, you're loyal. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Come join us by hitting that subscribe button and leave a like and a comment. It really helps me out a lot. If you're interested in staying up to date with me in between my YouTube posts, just follow me on Instagram at Zanae.Simone. I'll make sure I leave it right here below for you guys. So you guys, I'm gonna be looking down a lot of the time during this video because I took some notes, so I won't be rambling, okay? As you can see from the title, I am starting my first small business selling eyelashes. I want to take you all on this journey with me to maybe help inspire someone else to start their own business. You guys, you want to ask your vendor 100 questions. It is their job to answer whatever questions you have. You want to ask them, what are the quality of the lashes? Do you have custom packaging? How many days for shipping? How are the products made? I want to sell the best quality of lashes to you guys. So questions like that are very important. So when you guys ask me about my lashes, I'm able to answer your questions, no hesitation. I want to make sure I am here to give the best service. And also, you guys can learn from me as I grow from my mistakes. Before I sent money, I asked them to send me an invoice via PayPal. So ask them to send you an invoice. If they cannot send you an invoice, you cannot send your money to them. Always try to bargain with your vendors. I love to bargain. I love to try to bring that price down. So if they tell you $2.50, $2. Can't do it, they have to meet you. So if they tell you $2.50, try to go for $2. They'll try to meet you somewhere in the middle, $2.25. Hey, I hit up 2 vendors so I could sample 2 different lashes so I can get a feel. I hope that I like at least one of them because you guys, sampling lashes, shipping is not cheap, okay? So this vendor took 5 days. This vendor took about 7 business days. So they both came pretty quick. Finally opening up this package because, as you know, as a YouTuber, these packages be staring at you for mad long until you're ready to open it. So here I am, you guys, sampling my first lashes for my first business. I'm so excited. So I am gonna open up this one first because this is the one that I ordered first. I mean, that I received first. So let's see what's in the box and how it comes. So it's coming in the box like this. Now I ordered 10 pairs of lashes, $20 for each pair of lashes, and shipping was $25 originally, but she took off $5, which is pretty cool. So let's see what lashes. Oh, you guys. I'm so excited. So this is 3, so that's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yeah, she sent me 10 lashes. Already, I'm just so in love, you guys. Like, I cannot wait to sample these lashes to see. Look at these. Do you guys see how fluffy? These are so fluffy in 3D. So I plan to sell 5 different styles of lashes. These lashes are so cute.com. I also want to cater to my natural girls and my dramatic girls, me, depending on like the occasion. So if I'm going out, I might want these lashes. I also want to cater to my natural girls, for girls that's going to work every day. These lashes is so freaking cute, you guys. I gotta choose which ones.
So that's the first three. Here's the next samples. These lashes are so adorable. These are more natural. How cute, how cute, how cute. How cute. These are more dramatic. I love these, actually. These are so cute. I love these lashes so much. So, what I'm gonna do is wear
Them out, see how long they last me. These are 100% mink lashes, cruelty free. Okay. So that's from the first vendor, which came in 5 days. So let's see. Lash galore. Okay, like I can't wait. Okay. It's like Christmas. I love opening packages. So let's see what we got going on. Bear with me, you guys. Alright, each does. Came in this little box. Everything from China. Let me get my scissors. Okay. This is so adorable. Like, this vendor sent me these boxes. This vendor sent me this box, all cute and glittery. I like glitter. You see my background? I love glitter. Glitter, like, she already won my heart. Okay. She sent me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pairs of lashes. So let's see. These are super dramatic. Fashion eyelashes. More dramatic. I can't wait to try them. Now these are not the custom back boxes that I asked for, but it's still kind of cute. Let me see the 10 lashes that I ordered. Let me open up to see what they're looking like on the inside. Now, to be very honest with you guys, I'm liking the way these are looking more than these. For some reason, like when I first seen these, I'm like, okay, these are cute. So I am going to wear them for a couple of weeks so I can get the feel of how they make my eyes feel. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed. Comment, let me know what type of lashes did you like. Did you like the first vendor? Did you like the second vendor? I'm feeling the first vendor, but I'm really gonna know after I wear the lashes, after I feel the lashes, after I see how the lashes are. You guys always compliment me on my lashes, so why not start my own lash business? Like, I be out here promoting people's business. It's time to start promoting myself. This is the start of my foundation. I'm so excited to stay tuned to see what type of custom packaging I decide to choose and stay updated on this business venture with me. And I'm so glad to be here with you guys. And Zanae is out. Bye.